In this video, we'll show you how to check your internet speed on a PC or laptop. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. It's a good idea to test your internet speed so you can verify if you're getting the speed promised by your ISP. Often, providers will claim a certain speed, and testing can help you confirm whether that's accurate. For the best results, try to test your speed while close to your router, and ideally use a wired connection like Ethernet for faster speeds. To get started, open up your web browser. I'll be using Edge, but any browser works. Next, search for speed test, and the first result should be a speed test site. Click on Run Speed Test, and it will start testing. You'll be able to see live results, but once the test is complete, you'll get your final numbers. First, it will measure your download speed, followed by the upload speed. That's it! You'll now know your internet speeds. If you found this video useful and would like to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe.